what is border width property? Border width property represents CSS property that we use to set width or thickness of border line. Border width property can be set in specific units like pixels, em or em values, points, etc. Or we can use three predefined values. Like border width, we can use value thin, medium, and thick. Border width CSS property can be applied on complete border that surrounds our HTML element, or we can set it for just specific side of the border. Okay, let's see some examples. Okay, for this part I already prepared simple HTML document structure. Our HTML document has head and the body. Inside of body we have simple paragraph, and our paragraph has ID with value p1. Inside of head we have title for our HTML document. Also we have style block, and inside of style block we have p1 ID selector that will basically select our paragraph 1, and we will apply border style solid on our selected paragraph 1. Okay, I've saved this document like index.html on the desktop. So let's minimize our text editor. This is our index page, so let's open it. And this is how our web page looks like for now. Okay, next thing that we want to do, for our p1 ID selector, inside of declaration block, let's define border width CSS property. Okay, and let's set value 2 pixels. Let's save this change. Let's go back in our web browser. Let's refresh it. So as you can see, width of our border has been changed now. Okay, let's analyze our document. So let's click on right click. Let's set inspect. So now on the right hand side, you can see structure of our HTML document. So let's expand head. Let's expand body. Inside of style, we have style that we have defined. This is our simple paragraph. So let's click on it. Down here, you can see styles that we have applied on our p1 ID selector. So for some fine tunings, you can click on 2 pixels and you can use arrows up and down to find appropriate width for your border. Okay. Also, instead of these rounded values like 1, 2, 3, etc., you can use values in decimal. For example, you can use 0.5. So let's save this. So now when we refresh our page, as you can see now, our width for a border is 0.5 pixels. And also, instead of setting complete border width, you can set a border for just specific side. For example, let's set border top width. Let's change value to 3 pixels, for example. So now this property will be applied only on the top border. So let's refresh our page. So as you can see, now we have border width for just specific side of our border. So this is how we can use border width CSS property. So feel free to play around with this. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate our PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.